Martin Automatic introduces the MBSC butt splicer and STR turret rewinder combination. Total non-stop roll changing for narrow web label presses. Martin Automatic is well known for our extensive line of automatic splicing and rewinding equipment. Non-stop automatic roll changing means reduced material waste from stopping and restarting, greater output from continuous production, and higher profits. Now, Martin makes these benefits available to an even larger number of label converters with our new MBSC butt splicer and STR automatic turret rewind. The MBSC incorporates the core features of Martin's larger butt splicers, but is designed to the process requirements of many label presses, like a narrower web width, smaller roll diameter, moderate press speed, and reduced footprint. Rolls unwind on the MBSC from the two side-by-side unwinding spindles. The transfer from the expiring roll to the new roll occurs in the patented butt splice unit. An accumulator, or festoon, supplies web to the process during the automatic splice. Equipped with Martin's patented inertia compensation, this festoon delivers consistent web tension and brake control during unwinding and splice cycles. Rolls are loaded from the aisle in front of the splicer using Martin's patented lift and load system. No additional lifting carts or hoists are required, and the operator can load a full 800 mm diameter roll at any time. The operator lowers the empty spindle to the height of the core and extends it into the aisle to pick up the new roll. The roll is lifted off the floor and returned to the running position, where the operator inflates the spindle. To prepare a splice, the lead edge of the new web is inserted into the splice unit and aligned with the running web. A clamp holds the web securely while the lead edge is trimmed. The operator dispenses the proper length of splicing tape, then applies the tape, raises the backup bar, and closes the interlocked door. If tape on both sides of the splice is required, a second tape is placed on a vacuum roller, adhesive side out. The angled splice unit and two-side tape ensure splice integrity under even the most demanding die-cutting applications. The festoon controls the brake on the unwinding roll automatically and accurately from a full roll down to the core. Web tension is adjustable using the regulator on the festoon. The inertia compensation feature absorbs tension upsets to provide consistent tension control. Automatic side lay maintains the alignment of the running web to the prepared web in the splice unit. A sensor monitors the position of the running web, and the automatic side lay system compensates to ensure that the webs are aligned at the time of a splice. The splicer monitors the diameter of the roll and automatically stops the roll at a diameter that is set by the operator. Web continues feeding non-stop from the festoon. The splice unit simultaneously cuts off the expired web and irons the tape across the splice, producing a tight bond with no overlap. The splice passes through the rotary nip where the second side tape is applied. The storage festoon refills, ready for the next roll change. A roll change can also be automatically initiated by tail grabbing. This function allows the roll to unwind down to the core, making the splice as the material separates from the core for maximum material usage and minimum waste. At the output end of the press, the STR automatic turret rewind complements the MBSC splicer for full roll-to-roll automation. On the STR, the transfer occurs at 0 speed while the process continues to run. The storage festoon takes up web from the process during the transfer cycle without stopping or slowing down. An integrated web guide steers the web for high-quality rolls. In certain applications, such as flattened tubes, where the STR must avoid building up a ridge of extra thickness, the web guide can be programmed to oscillate the web on the roll proportional to web speed. There's an easy procedure for setting the web guide at the beginning of a job. The transfer section cuts off the finished roll and applies the web to the new core. Rolls wind on the two cantilevered spindles of the turret. As the roll winds on one spindle, an empty core is placed on the opposite spindle. A core stop helps to locate the core on the spindle, and the operator inflates the pneumatic shaft to engage the core. A transfer tape is applied to the core. Tape backing is peeled away. Automatic transfers can be initiated in several ways: by footage desired on the roll, by operator initiation, or by signal from a splicer to transfer after the unwind splice. Upon initiation, the winding roll is stopped and the festoon accumulates the web at full process speed. The cutoff blade in the transfer section severs the web and the turret indexes, presenting the finished roll for removal. The transfer section lowers, attaching the web to the taped core, and the spindle accelerates to wind the roll. The STR is designed to begin new rolls without web foldback at the core, eliminating a source of wrinkling and of material waste. The transfer roller can also be programmed to remain on the surface of the winding roll in applications that may benefit from a lay-on roller. The festoon depletes to its running position, ready for the next transfer. Continuous production, reduced waste, less downtime, and Martin Automatic reliability. Download the full specifications at martinautomatic.com. Start running non-stop in as little as 6 weeks from order. Contact your Martin representative today.